Did you know that 75% of coding tasks could be automated by AI like Devin? But does this mean the end for human coders? Not at all. Today's video dives into the future of software engineering with AI and what it means for us. We're exploring how tools like Devin AI are changing the game, but also why human creativity remains irreplaceable. Smash that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get started. 1. The emergence of Devin AI. Devin AI is like a super smart robot that can write computer code all by itself. It's really good at solving problems in the code, making things work better, and can even do jobs that people pay for all by itself. This robot is made by a group of smart people from a company called Cognition. They think that in the future, we won't need people to write as much code because robots like Devin can do it. Cognition's big dream is to make coding a lot easier and faster with the help of AI, so that everyone can make cool apps and programs without having to learn all the tricky parts of coding. They're working hard to make Devin AI smart enough to handle all kinds of coding tasks, making it possible for more people to create new things without needing to be coding experts. 2. The potential impact. Devin AI is showing some impressive skills in coding, doing tasks faster and with fewer mistakes than what many people can do by hand. Some folks are really excited about this, thinking it could make building apps and websites much easier and quicker. But not everyone's convinced. Some worry whether Devin can handle really tough problems that coders face, or if it's just good for simple tasks. There's a big debate going on. Can robots like Devin take over jobs from software engineers, or are they just going to be helpers? Many believe that while Devin and similar AI tools are super useful, they're not going to replace human coders entirely. Instead, they might just change what software engineers focus on, like making them spend more time on creative ideas and solving complex problems while leaving the repetitive coding work to AI like Devin. 3. Real-world application and limitations. Devin AI has been put to the test in real jobs, like writing code for websites and fixing bugs in programs without needing any help. It's even been used on Upwork, a place where people find freelance jobs to do coding tasks and earn money. This shows Devin can do work that people would pay for, which is pretty cool. But Devin isn't perfect. There are times when human coders are still much better. For example, when a project needs a lot of creative thinking or when the task is really complex and unusual, people outshine Devin. AI like Devin can sometimes get confused by very tricky problems or when it needs to think outside the box. Humans are also better at understanding what other people really want when the instructions are not clear. So while Devin AI is great for some things like doing routine coding fast, it can't handle everything. People are still needed for the really tough challenges and to make sure everything works just right. 4. The future of software engineering with AI. In the future, AI tools like Devin could become like a buddy to software engineers, helping them do their jobs better rather than taking their jobs away. Imagine a world where coders can focus on coming up with cool new ideas or solving really tough problems, while AI takes care of the boring, repetitive parts of coding. This partnership could make creating software faster and more fun. Experts think that AI will make software development more accessible to everyone. People who have great ideas but don't know much about coding could still create amazing things with the help of AI like Devin. This doesn't mean human coders will become less important. Instead, their roles might shift to doing more creative work, thinking about the big picture, and making sure the AI is doing its job right. So the future looks like a place where AI and humans work together, each doing what they do best. This teamwork could lead to better software, created faster and with fewer mistakes, making technology even more amazing and helpful in our lives. 5. The bottom line. The debate about Devin AI is all about how this smart tool is changing the game for people who write code. Some folks worry it might take over their jobs, but the truth is, Devin AI is here to help, not replace. This AI shows us what's possible when machines understand how to code, but we're still a long way from saying goodbye to human coders. Devin AI is a big step forward, but people who write code are still very much needed. They bring creativity and solve problems that AI can't handle yet. As we move forward, the way we talk to computers through code is getting simpler, thanks to AI. We're on an exciting journey towards a future where coding might be as easy as chatting with a friend, but human smarts will always be in the driver's seat, guiding us towards new discoveries. And that wraps up our journey into how AI like Devin is reshaping the world of coding. Remember, even with all this incredible tech magic, your human touch is what truly brings ideas to life. If you found this fascinating peek into the future as exciting as I did, show some love by hitting the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more cool tech stories. Share this video with your friends to get them in on the conversation, and let's chat in the comments below about what you think the future holds for software engineers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next amazing video.